Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Wait a minute.
There's no clutch, dude.
Yo, this shit is nice. So, so we're here. You're about to see this bag action. Let's see what it's talking about.
All right, so yeah, guys, he wants to check out how it works. You've never been in a bag car?
I've never been in a bag car. No,
all right, so right here, this button right here is called pancake mode.
Okay.
You hold it. So go ahead and just hold this button down.
Yeah.
Once it starts to air out, you can let it go.
Oh! Oh, shit on the steering wheel. Yo! That's how hyped I got. I turned on the windshield wipers. Yo!
So mine though, it's called switch speed, right?
Okay.
So usually remotes, you'll hit like 2 and it'll
Adjust
it'll
your
adjust
settings, right?
Yeah. So mine is not that. The 1, 2, and 3 are air out and air up speeds. So for example, right, you go to 3 and then this is air up, this is air up, and then it's gonna be. And then if you want to go like medium speed air out, it's that, and then it'll be.
If you want it slow, you can do it slow.
So this is medium.
Wow. Yo, this is better than fucking Knott's Berry Farm.
All right, so let's see. The tank's pretty full, empty, but
what is that? The boom boom.
It's
the bags.
It's common for the front airlift suspension. So 1, go ahead and hit 1. Do pancake mode. That's the slowest you can go down. So hold it till it goes out. There you go. And that's the slowest you can air out.
Wow, bro. It's fucking crazy. Is it when you said there's not enough gas or air?
Air. So right now, what's running is the compressors.
I hear it.
It's filling the tank.
I see.
So the more you air up, it takes air. So yeah, once those kick off, that's pretty much it. It's full.
I need this.
Yeah.
I need this.
You do?
Yeah, I need this. I need this right now.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna take your car apart. Yo, this is nice, dude. This is nice. Man. I like how you have it set up in here.
Yeah, this is all custom made. Everything here is custom made.
Yeah, you did that yourself. Yeah. Yo.
We'll leave it at that.
Yours is pretty it's not too loud. It's like it's tolerable.
And it gets when you're actually like on it though driving, it's crazy.
Yeah, I heard. My shit sounds like a fucking like a trombone, bro. My shit just like yo, it sounds like fucking extremely loud. Yeah. That's not bad though, dude. It's not bad at all.
Alright guys, so the homie here, he's running away. But he has a surprise for me. He's been hyping it up non-stop the past week, I think. So I have no idea what it is. I'm honestly nervous. I low-key have a feeling like, do you know what it is? Because I know you've pulled that in the past before.
Are you nervous?
I haven't even eaten yet. I am nervous. I'm watching in the mirror.
Wow, you're a cheater.
I'm nervous.
No
I'm
peeking.
hungry. I'm really hungry too. I haven't even had any pizza yet.
I've been telling you.
But yeah, anyways guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I didn't even do an intro. But we're here just kind of hanging out with the family and getting some fresh haircuts and talking
Wait,
cars.
show me your haircut again.
Look at that. Oh.
Vuelta, vuelta, vuelta.
All right.
Oh shit.
I'm back.
Is it a Louis Vuitton bag?
No. I wish it was.
Fuck. All
All
right.
right, my friend. So, you gotta turn around.
Can I look at you in this mirror?
No, this way.
All right, so.
Am I gonna cry?
All right, so.
Wait.
Hey, no, hold on.
Wait.
If I cry, you all need to leave, so I can have my moment.
Wait, should we turn this off?
Here, yeah.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be loud.
Wait, it's gonna be loud?
The fan.
Oh.
Fan. All right, my friend.
And you're crying.
This is yours.
Shit.
Ready?
Wait.
Here you go, my friend. This is yours. It's all yours.
Aww.
Here you go. You can take a look at it.
It's so cute.
Take a look at it.
I don't want to. I don't want
Oh my god, that is so cute.
to. Wait, where is it?
Right here.
No way.
Yes, bro. Look at the back of that. Dude, look at the back of that.
No way.
I hope you like it, bro. Dude, I gotta give credit when it's due. She did help me. She did help me. She did help me.
I'm holding it in.
Dude.
This means a lot.
So,
No.
I did it because I was like, you know what? This is something that you told me that you wanted to do, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get it. If you want to do it or not, I hope it's how you like it, because I was like sweating it. I called her. I was like, yo, like I was like, yo, man, and I was like, shit. I had a feeling you knew. I was like, for some reason he knows. I was like, he put on Instagram, should I start merch? I was like, fuck. He found out.
I started questioning her yesterday because in the past, she's pulled this shit on me before. So I was like, do you know about this? She's like, no.
That's
Like,
fucking
all right.
hilarious, dude.
Like, I don't know.
Tell me why I was gonna play with you and I was gonna pull the Jenga and give it to you, but you got too serious and I was like, oh, shit, I can't do this. I gotta give you the real present.
Oh my god.
Dude, but I just made you sick, so I was like, you know what? If he likes it, man.
No, those are sick.
Yeah, dude.
That's like actually like
Yeah, the right lettering, yeah.
you sent him a picture of the lettering too?
I
This
told
is-
him in cursive, and then I sent him the picture of the spade.
I already had an idea of how you were, like, I remember where did I see that right there? I seen that. And I was like, yo,
Where? You saw what?
this. Oh, and I remembered in my head, I was like, I know it's in cursive.
Oh, dude.
With the royal Spain in the back, dude. Come on, oh yes, sir.
Get it,
Yes, sir.
get it.
That is so awesome.
Get it,
Yeah, dude.
Alright. Ah!
Oh shit. This is hard as fuck.
Yeah.
This is hard. You made it look easy.
Yeah, dude, it's drift spec. How does that go again?
Fucking big Kirby.
Wait, let me make a toast. Let me make a toast.
Hey, for coronavirus.
Fuck, girl. Donna, hurry up.
Okay.
Wait, are you trying to record?
No, I was choosing the song for him.
Okay, hang on. Let me do a toast real quick.
Wait,
I-
wait,
Let me make a toast.
Play.
I just want to make a toast real quick. Hang on. All right, first off, to the new friends over here,
Yes, sir.
thank you guys for coming into our life and
thank you.
for being dope as hell.
Oh, for sure.
All right.
Thank you guys.
And then to family, friends, life, to God
Yeah.
for giving us the life that we're living. And cheers.
Cheers.
And wait, one more. I also want to say happy birthday to this motherfucker right here. Fucking 30 years old. This fool is 30 years old. Woo! Let's go!
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27. Ah! and twerk. You gotta get up and twerk. Get your ass up and twerk. Shake that booty. All right, bros, we out here. Owner came back. He's taking her home today finally after like 2 months. So let's see.
Get a little nice wake up the neighbors.
Yeah, for real. And we're gonna be doing a lot more to this, guys. All right, guys, so before he does head out, let's go ahead. Do you want to tell them a little bit of what is to come, what you have on the way?
So, we got some new wheels coming in, same specs as his, same specs coming in, so.
Which is 19 by 11
Yep.
plus 15 offset.
Yes, sir. And then we got the new headlights coming in. That's gonna be insane.
And again, do you want to tell them what kind they are? Or?
Yeah, dude, go
So
ahead.
it's the same exact ones I have, which are the spec Ds, except you got them in smoked and smoked out.
Just because of the wrap that we're gonna have going on with this car, it's gonna look insane.
You want to tell them how you're gonna wrap it, or do you want?
It's gonna be kind of like a panda style. How I was going with you, but not the same colors, but definitely half the middle. Trying to switch it all up. So
yes,
yeah,
sir.
let's get it.
It's gonna be sick, guys. Make sure you stay tuned. Well, this thing fully transformed over the past about 2 months, I think,
Yeah,
right?
dude, and thank you, bro.
Oh,
For sure.
yeah.
And man, he is a beast.
Thank you.
He is a beast.
Thank you.
You're a beast, for
So
sure.
this thing completely transformed, and there's still so much to go, or so much to do, and you guys are.
Oh, wait a minute.
Uh oh.
The wing.
Oh yeah.
326 wing coming soon. I wish it was the one from his, but nah. We got it coming.
326 wing spec D headlights, wheels, possibly you were saying a diffuser, maybe,
Diffuser.
or the rear splitter.
Oh, that's right. Possibly. And possibly.
Shit. Oh yes, I forgot about
Yeah,
that.
me too.
Possibly going to be bagging it, guys.
Yeah.
It's gonna be absolutely wild. Big plans for him and I in the future. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, guys,
Oh,
and
don't
stay
forget.
tuned. Oh, yes, right here. You guys saw that earlier in this video. This is the same video, 2 days later. Working on stickers. As you guys know, if you follow my Instagram, you guys already saw stickers that I'm making. So a lot of good stuff
Yes,
to
sir.
come.
Oh my God. Don't play. I'm gonna have to bag my real soon.